Hey, what's up, and welcome to what very well may be the most pointless thing you see on the internet today, but nevertheless, it's kind of fun to play. This type of thing only happens when boredom comes knocking, and there's plenty of other things that you should be practicing, but this is kind of fun anyways. I'm going to show you how you can get a turntable scratch effect with your snare drum. So before we get started, a couple of things. You're going to want to flip your snare drum upside down for the snare side facing up. So that means the snare wires are up on top. And this is the most sensitive part of your drum set right here. This drum head is not intended to be played on. You don't want to strike it very hard at all because it will break. It is a very, very, very thin ply drum head. Make sure your snare wires are going from probably about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock down to about 4:30, 5 o'clock. You don't have to do it that way, but the reason I like doing it this way is because I take my left hand and I scratch across the surface of the snares this way, but you could use whatever technique you want. I'm just using my wrist going back and forth. So take the stick, place the tip of it on your snare wires, and then you're going to go out and in, and I count 16th notes. So out is 1, back towards me is E, back out again is and then back towards me is So you get 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Let's try to get the 16th notes on the snare wires. All right, let's try that a little bit faster. All right, so next I'm going to play 8th notes on my ride cymbal with my right hand. You can play it anywhere on the drum set, it doesn't matter. I'm going to play it on the ride cymbal. And then the left hand is going to get the record scratch on the snare wires, and I'm going to try to lock that in tight 16th notes with my 8th notes over here. So you get All right, next, lay some bass drum patterns in with your foot. So you can get a simple backbeat. All right, so for starters, a good thing to do is play on beat 3, 3 E and 4 E and again on the downbeat of 1, that snare scratch is going to go away out from you and then back towards you on the 16th notes on the E's and U's. So you'll get 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and Let's try that. Okay, let's try placing it on beat 4. So you get 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and skipping the downbeat of the snare, which would be the snare accent note. We're going to skip that and just replace it with a wicked, wicked. All right, forget I did that. Here we go. All right, let's speed that up a little bit faster. All right, so there you go, how to get a record scratch effect from your snare drum. Again, this isn't anything that's dependent on getting that gig you want, and you could be practicing at anything else, but it is fun to play. Make sure you hit subscribe to my channel and check out drummer101.com for more lessons. See you guys later.